Bismillah Rahman Rahim, students. This is you know, June, June 2025 and variant 31. And the question number is 9. And we have to show this expression. And EXP stand for e to power x. He mentioned even here. So when he said prove this and convert into this form. And if you look at carefully, two functions are multiplying together, so integration by parts. And if you look at carefully, remember, so LATE lit, and L for logarithm. This stand for algebra, T for trigonometry, E for exponential, and I'm introducing I. I stand for inverse function. So inverse. So basically from top to down, top is V function, down is U function. Right now we have a logarithm function and algebra function. So algebra is above, logarithm is below, so V and U. So algebra, I am writing 1 to A. I'm writing ln Lx before and 6x later. Dx is equals to 4. This is U function and this is V function. So I think idea is very clear. Why I have taken V? Because algebra is above and logarithm is below. Above function is V, below function is U. So let's start. And I show the formula, then I implement. UV formula is what? By parts. U copy V integration minus a big sign of integral, bracket starts, brackets end with dx inside. Again, again V integration I will write into derivative differentiation of U function. So I believe all people understood. Now I'm going to implement. Let's start. So U function copy. So I'm writing ln x and V function integration. So integration of 6x dx must be there, minus sign. A big sign of integral, I'm writing a big sign of integral. Bracket starts, bracket ends. This dx for each integral sign you know very well. Equals to 4 will come at the last. Okay, now you can see a way again V integration. So this will come again here. Short story, I will copy paste so you people can understand easily. Copy and paste. And multiply by derivative of what? Of the logarithm function. So U function. So I believe all people understood. And limits I'm not writing for just saving the time. So I'm hiding the formula now. I think you understood well how I use the formula. So let's start. So log a function as it is. What is integration of 6x? Basically increase a power. What was 1 power? So 2 by 2. A big sign. Again, this I'm copying it here. Increase a power by 1, divide by same. What is derivative of the logarithm? So after logarithm, whatever it goes in denominator, this is a derivative equals to 4. And now I'll simplify all these values, even simplify this. So I'm getting what? 3x to power 2 log of x. This is cancel. I bring 3 outside the integral sign. And x square x cancel out. I get single x and dx equals to 4. Now I'm going to finish this one. Integration. Increase our power by 1. Divide by same. And limits are what? If you look at carefully, limits are 1 to a. 1 to a. Lower one, upper is a. And here I'm writing 4. Now each x replaced by a. First of all, 3a square ln a minus 3a square by 2 upper limit done. Now replace every x by 1 and basically ln 1 is 0. So when I plug in 1 here, 0, so complete 0. So I'm just saving my time. And here, when I plug in 1 here, I get a negative 3 by 2 is equal to 4. Okay, I think up till now clear. So 3a square log of a minus 3a square by 2. Negative into negative, I get a positive. 3 by 2 is equal to 4. I'll keep my eye on my target. My target is this. If you're confused, how we can plan. So do one thing. I'm going reverse, so you can understand very well how to start. Basically, this way of writing is confusion for you. I tell you how to write it. A is equals to e to power, because this full will come in power. So I'm writing 1 by 6 outside in the bracket 5 over a square plus 3. Basically, this whole in power. Okay, now it means this is my target to achieve. This is my, okay, I have to make a alone, and one a square is available there. So just sake of understanding reverse process I'm applying, I take log of both sides. If I take a log of both sides, you can see, so it turns to be ln e to power 1 by 6 in the bracket 5 by a square and plus 3. So this power will go down and ln e will become 1. So basically I have this working. Now I will stop it here. This reverse process I am doing. Now let's see, is this target is close to achieve or not. So 1 minute please, let me check it. So this portion I'm going to copy from here. Sorry, it will not come down. Anyway, so I need a log of a alone. Check it, log of a alone available or not. Check it. Log of a is available here. I have to make this alone, and rest will go on the other side. So first of all, 2 is LCM. You can see that 6 is involving in the question. Okay, so first of all, multiply by 2. I got 6a square log of a minus 2 cancel out. I get a 3a square plus 3 equal to 4 2s are 8. This 3 will go on the other side. 6a square log of a minus 3a square and equal to 5. I'm close to my answer now. If I look at on my target, so exactly you can see that 5 over a square plus 3 is there. So it means I will bring this on the other side. 1 minute please. Let me shift again. 1 by 6. Let me write so I can get my answer easily. This is my task target LNA. So this I am shifting below. Wait a minute. This is my task. Okay, to achieve. So I just bring it here. Now I can see clearly. So I will make this subject. So naturally, so first of all, this will go on the other side. So, but problem is we have, okay, that is okay. And everything is clear. 5 plus 3a to power 2. And I got 6a square ln a. Now you can see students, this a square he brought first under it, or even I can bring 6a also. But first of all, I bring a square on the other side. So 5 over a square and plus this a square will cancel. I get 3, which is a totally match. Now this 6 will go down outside, and Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, my target is achieved. So I can see here 1 by 6 times 2 5 over a square plus 3. So this is done. Okay, now because space is a problem, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to do rest part here. So I will take that, because you know logarithm, you know very well. For example, 5, we can say 5 into 1 and 1 replaced by ln e, and 5 will go in the power of e. So basically 5 is equal to log of 5 power e. For example, 6 ln e to power 6. And what about this? So same story I can write. So ln a is equal to log of e to power, this whole will go in the power. I'm writing 1 by 6 in the bracket 5 over a square plus 3. Log cancel, and congratulations, I have achieved my target. So if you leave it here, and this is my final answer, and that is extra work which I explained to understand. Clear? So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, proved. So this is done. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. The concept is completely clear. We have done our job. Part number 2, he is saying by calculation, show that A lies between 2 and 2.1. We have two choices. Bring ln A at this side, or this complete this side. So I am writing f of A. ln A I'm writing as it is negative 1 by 6, 5 over a square plus 3. So how I got it, I have two choices. Choice number one, bring this here, or choice number two, bring this on the other side. Both are okay. One time I will plug in a value is equal to 2 and one time 2.1. So I'm saving my time and just plugging in here. So every a replaced by 2. So let's try to do it in the bracket 5 over 4 plus 3. Let's see what answer turns to be here. And then 2.1. So log of 2.1 minus 1 by 6 in the bracket 5 over 4, 2.1 to power 2 and plus 3. I'll check in the answers. And if I check the answers, let's see what answers turn to be. Log of 2 minus 1 by 6 times 2. 5 upon 4 plus 3 close bracket, I am getting positive 0.65. And let me say, check the lower one. Log of 2.1 minus 1 over 6 times 2. In the bracket 5 divided by 2.1 square and plus 3 close bracket. And I'm getting here, 1 minute, let me check once again because I'm getting some, okay, let me check again, typing in calculator log of 2 minus 1 over 6 times 2, 5 divided by 2 square is 4 plus 3. My answer is coming, sorry, this answer is a mistake. So this answer I check again, negative 0.015. Where I check the lower one, log of 2.1 minus 1 over 6 times 2, 5 divided by 2.1 square and plus 3, I'm getting positive 0.05. So as sign changes, I discussed many times with you, whenever we have a, let's say, I give example to understand. Look at now, this curve I have it. No, this other way. I just show other way. Okay, so for this is a 2 and this is a 2.1. Against 2, I have a negative answer. Against 2.1, I have a positive answer. So if the sign changes, so this point of intersection is called root. So you can say that as sign changes. So we say the A lies. So A lies between 2 and 2.1. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, proved, verified. So let's go for the next part. He's saying use iterative formula. Which iterative formula? Go up and check it. Now, interesting part I'm going to tell you. Now, whenever iterative formula not given, I will use this formula as a iterative. Now, very interesting part, how to use iterative formula, I'm going to discuss here. So A is equals to, okay, 1 minute please. I think I should take the end of the page here. So this formula I am going to take from here and I copy and paste from here. 1 minute. Maybe I can't able to copy. So I'm writing here A is equals to e to power 1 by 6 in the bracket 5 over a square plus 3. Now this formula I'm going to bring down and bring it here. Now, very interesting part, students, which I want to discuss maybe first time here. Listen up. Whenever iterative formula given, alhamdulillah. When not given, we will convert into iterative formula. But how to convert it? Very interesting part. So left side, what is the way of converting? Let's see now how to convert into iterative formula. Hold on, look, I show you. What is the rule? Left hand side, whatever. We have two A's. Can you see, student? One A left side, one A right side. I write in blue color, left side in a base. It's called subscript. Okay, I will put here n plus 1 under A. And here I will plug in only n. Make sure again, left side n plus 1, right side only n. This is a way of writing in case if iterative formula not given, then we can make it. Now student, what to do? He said that give each final answer is 2 decimal place, but each result give me 4 dp. But interesting part, if I say that n value is 1, when I plug in 1 here, student, I get a a2. When I plug in n1 here, I get e to power 1 over 6 in the bracket 5 a1 square plus 3. But problem, do we have a1 value given? No, answer is no. How to get a1? So if you don't, if given, well and good. Not given, find out the average of these numbers. So 2 and 2.1. So 2 and 2.1 average becomes what? 2.05. This I will plug in it here. That's it. And let's see how I can do now. So 5 over 2.05 to power 2 and plus 3, I think clear. And I'm going to type in calculator. Be careful while typing it. So first I'm typing 1 over 6 times 2, 5 divided by 2.05 square and plus 3, close bracket. So I'm getting an exponential to power. My answer is turned to be 2.0103. He said 4 dp, I wrote 4 dp. I think all of you understanding well now what to do, students. First I plug in each n by 1 1. Now I replace every n by 2 2. When I plug in 2 here, student, I get a 3. So I'm getting a3 e to power 1 by 6. When I plug in 2 here, it becomes a2 square. So this a2 value will go here. I'm doing directly so we can save our time. 2.0103 square plus 3. Now I'm going to check it what answer is turns to be. So 1 minute, I will check again. So little typing 0.0103 and square is plus 3. And what answer is turned to be then exponential power answer. I am getting 2.0263, again 4 dp. And I went to stop it because two decimal places will keep our eye on 2 dp. So look at please 2 dp, 2 dp. So when it start repeating, we'll stop it. I think we have to proceed one more attempt. So I get a 4 and e to power 1 by 6 and 5 over this value will come here. So 2.0263 square plus 3. And now let me check what is a for. So once again, 1 divided by 6 times 2, 5 divided by 2.0263 square plus 3. And this answer I'm going to plug in the power of exponential. It comes 2.0197. 2, sorry, not 2 required, 7 only. Check it please. If I concentrate here, this is a close to, okay, this is rounding. So this, if I round, I got a 2.02. So no need to go further. 2.02 is the final answer. For safety, just for secure, you can attempt one more attempt. Okay, I hope so. The point is very clear and the question is completely over.